Hey YouTube, this is DNL Machine coming at you with another video to help keep you out of the Jello pudding. What we have today is a Honda ignition lock cylinder. And when your key doesn't want to go in right and stuff like that, you know, your lock cylinder is starting to go bad and you need to get inside to get the wafers out. So that's the lock cylinder. I've already taken it out. This guy goes on top there. This little spring goes in there. And then this little tiny pin, don't lose it, goes through right there and catches in there. You don't really need to know that. What you need to know is this pin, okay, that roll pin right there, that's what holds the barrel inside the housing, and you need to get it out. You can get to it from the top right there, but if you cannot push that out with a hook pick or something, like this guy, you'll see other YouTube videos show you that they can get in here and push that pin down. But on these particular locks that I'm working on, this is from a CRV, I cannot get that. So take this bar off. You should take it off anyways, because if it flies apart, you're going to lose that and lose that, which you don't want. Just take it off and drill yourself a hole right there. It's right above the top of the pin, the roll pin. Okay, and then get yourself a proper punch, a flat-headed punch. Drill your hole. Stick your punch in there, and you will notice that this little bottom here, it moves just slightly, a little bit. So your hole doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, you got a little bit of play there. And then once you get that set up, get your punch in there. Okay, just like so, right on top of that roll pin, and you can knock that little bugger out. We're going to see if we can get this out by just tapping it on the table. I started it with a hammer, but we'll see if it'll come out. Yeah, I guess not. This is the hammer I used. So just line that up. It'll be a little finicky, but you can do it. Line that up, tap that pin out. I suspect what causes this to not come out very nicely is that the pin, well, it's a rolled spring pin, which makes it want to stay in there. But the pin itself probably gets slightly deformed. It gets slightly bent, and that makes it very difficult to remove with steady pressure. So hopefully this helps you and saves you a lot of money, because a locksmith plus that part, you're looking at, like, in Canadian money, $500-600 maybe. All right, stay gold.